Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing? It's been a cool minute, so I just want to kind of get you guys updated as to what's going on around me. For those who follow me on social, you guys know I took a little vacation for Father's Day weekend. But for those who don't know, actually it was a vacation for my 11-year anniversary and Father's Day vacation trip. So pretty cool. And again, happy anniversary to my lady. 11 years and going. So that's two thumbs up there. And all of this was done by her. This was like all planned out by her. So I'm very lucky and very blessed to have this woman in my life who sometimes doesn't even want to be on camera. So she does these things, and it's just amazing how much she does for me. You know, I couldn't. I'm still speechless, on things. But last week was a crazy week. Ray came down along with Carlos. I met Ray for the first time. You guys know him as Unlock Custom Droids. So shout out to my dude Ray. Real cool dude, and some good conversation. I mean, geez, we nerded up and geeked out till like 3 a.m. in the morning at my place, not even knowing. And that was when they stopped by like around 10:40, 10:30 at night. Then we ended up talking all the way till 3 in the morning. That was crazy. And then right after that, I took my vacation and didn't make any videos. Really didn't go live on anything. Just shared some photos and moments that I was going through while I was there. And yeah, I'm gonna make a slideshow video with all of the moments that I've captured while on this vacation, and that's actually gonna be posted to my Facebook page. So link in the description if you guys wanna go to that Facebook page and follow me there. I also go live on there too. So yeah, definitely hit up the Facebook page. Link in the description to my socials if you guys want to follow me. But anyways, guys, some changes going on that I want to update you guys about. First of all, the Pixel 3 no longer in my possession, and I shared this on Twitter. The reason why I don't have it anymore. My dad had the Galaxy S7. He's not the type to upgrade from a phone just because for the sake of getting a new phone, right? He'll use a phone until it no longer works anymore. And with that, he went to the Philippines a year ago, and yeah, well, no, it was this year. But anyways, while there, he bought an Oppo A5, and the rep from the local telecom company out there said that it would work in the U.S. So my dad was kind of stoked. I could tell he was kind of stoked to kind of using a new phone. And he put his AT&T SIM in the Oppo phone, and it wasn't working. He called me up to see if I could help him configure it, what was going on. We checked a few things. I went online and checked the compatibility of the device, and it said it was not compatible with U.S. carriers, and I had to break that news to my dad. Now, I tried to see if there was any other way to kind of work around, try to get it going, maybe flash radios onto it or something like that that would allow it to pick up U.S. carriers, LTE bands and whatnot. That was not an option. At least I didn't find. But if you guys know, let me know in the comment section because I've been trying to find that. But anyway, so because my dad was kind of bummed out not being able to use his new Oppo phone, which he looked at it, he liked it. When I got there to see my dad, see the family, I gave him his Google Home Mini, which he thought that was his Father's Day gift. And then I told him, like, I was messing around with the Oppo phone. I'm like, well, let me test something out. And I had wiped the Pixel 3 completely. And so I took his AT&T SIM out of the Oppo phone and I put it in the Pixel 3, and then I had my dad go through the setups, and I was making up some BS like, oh yeah, you have to sign into your Google account. And my dad knew something was up, so he tried to ask my lady, he was like, what's he doing? And she's like, I don't know. And after getting his phone set up and everything like that, walking him through the initial process of setting up the Pixel 3, and then explaining to him the differences between his Samsung Galaxy S7, which was running TouchWiz, and then the Pixel 3, which is stock Android. I could see, the average consumer's frustration on certain things. They should make it seamlessly easy to, kind of like move things over. But anyways, helping my dad out move all his text messages because he had a lot of text messages. So we used the AT&T transfer tool. I used to work for Asurion, and I was AT&T Pro Tech support. So I used that tool to move all his contacts, all his old previous messages, everything onto the Pixel 3. And then from there, he's been playing around with it. And, I guess so far he's liking it. I'm about to follow up with him within a week and find out what's up with that. How's he liking it? But yeah, so far, I see him using it quite often. It's in his pocket. And, yeah. But my dad's very old school, okay? So, you know, the type of feedback I'm going to get is not like the nerdy and tech up stuff. But it's good feedback. And it's good feedback from an average consumer, which is my dad. Also, iOS 14 is available to those people who know how to get it. And shout out to TK for just making that quick 1 minute video showing people how to get iOS 14 on your iPhone if it's a 6S, SE, all the way up to the 11. So yeah, I'll put the link in the description to the website where you guys got to go to on your iPhone. You got to do it through Safari, and then follow the directions, and you will get iOS 14 beta. As you guys can see here, this little demo video I put up, yeah, basically I have it on my iPhone 6s Plus. I'm going to play around with it and give my initial thoughts. But let me just say this to everybody out there who likes to be still in this very old OS wars, okay? First of all, the wars is pretty dull and it's bland. All right, there are things that iPhones can do. There are things that Android phones can do. Stop it with all this nonsense. You know, people out there that's like posting, oh yeah, I'm moving to iPhone, leaving Android forever. Like, look, yeah, you say that now because iOS has something new, and then later on down the road when Android pumps out something cool, you're gonna leave iOS. You know what it is? You know what? Just keep both. I'm gonna say this to everyone out there. I'm not trying to be rude or be the D or anything like that. I'm just saying this as a friend. Keep both. Keep the best of both worlds and stop all this nonsense, because you look foolish when you're going on social saying, I'm leaving this for an iPhone. iPhone rules now, and people out there, welcome to 2015. Stop it with all that, okay? You know, just stop it with all that. Let's just embrace the fact that iOS has widgets now, which is something that I've been wanting to see on iOS. So shout out to Apple for doing that. Is it better than Android's widgets? No. But is Android's widgets better than iOS's widgets? No. Because they have their own identity that doesn't make them a blatant copy of the other. Sure, widgets on your home screen, copy from Android. Got it. But the way that you do it on iOS is way different than it is on Android. So it has its own identity. Let's just celebrate in that. So anyways, yeah, I'm going to test out iOS 14, let you guys know all the cool stuff with it or whatever. I'm sure there's tons of videos that's already giving you like all the cool features or whatever, but I'm going to give you the Tito perspective by using it. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this quick short little video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section of the video. Smash that like button if you guys enjoyed today's video. And yeah, do I look recharged? Do I look recharged? Let me know. Do I look recharged? Because I feel recharged. I'm happy to be back with everybody. And yeah, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you just found the channel and subscribed, thanks for doing that. And you can hit the bell icon somewhere over there, anywhere, to never miss a video that I post up here. And also, we are very close to launching Season 5 of the podcast, so stay tuned for that. That is coming down the pike. And maybe some other blogs in between here on the channel. Something non-tech, something refreshing, something cool. Who knows? Who knows what I decide to do? I'm me. I'm weird. I've always been weird. Anyone who's rocked with me for so long can comment and say, yeah, Tito is a weirdo. As a matter of fact, that's it. If you made it to this point of the video, hashtag Tito is a weirdo. And yeah, because I've always been weird like that. So, but that's okay. That's okay. Thanks for watching this video, and as always, aloha.